Hi guys, today we're gonna do the world record paper airplane. So begin by folding it in half. Open it up, flip it over, fold the corners. I'll fold another corner. Now you pull this thing all down like so. So here, down. And now you fold it in half. You open it, you flip it over. Now fold the corners. On two sides. So this may go forward, but not that far. It go farther than the last video I made. The diamond plane. The diamond plane is kind of far, but I created my own, so I don't know if it's gonna go that far or not. But this one, I'm sure it's gonna go far. It's a world record paper airplane. So next, I'll show you again. So you fold your triangle, pull the triangle out. Now, yes, it will automatically close, but do not do that. You will put this, do you see this edge? You pull this edge to this edge. So you'll make a crease like so on two sides. Now, fold it back in place. Now flip it over. Now fold it in half. Oh, I'm sorry. So you go back here, you fold this corner to this corner. And you fold this thing up like so. Now you can flip it over. Now you can fold it in half like so and make your wings. You also do it on the other side. So now you got the world record paper airplane. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Go try it out by yourself.